Hey, this is Giovanni Adrian BMX, and today I will be doing a bike check. We're gonna start with the back of my bike, and we're gonna start with the rim. I have a Colony Contour rim. As you can read there, it says right there Colony, and it's laced to a Colony Wasp cassette hub. See right there? It's on pineapple color, and I have a Colony cassette hub guard right there, and uh. It has 14 G spokes and an Odyssey path, 2.10 tire on the back, run about 50 or 60 psi on the back tire, same as the front. So, alright, let's do my bottom bearings, and then we'll turn the bike around. Bottom bearings are Shadow Curves bottom bearings, and you can see it right there. Let me zoom in this thing. Yeah, well, my camera sucks. I'm sorry. So yeah, they have the Shadow Conspiracy curves bottom bearings, and I have some fit stock rings. They're already scratched. I was trying to grind on concrete. You see right there. So yeah, I have the Shadow Revenger PC pedals. They're really good. I love them. They like all this. You can see right there. It gives you a lot of grip, even when the pins like run out. So yeah, I've been running. Yeah. So those are the pedals, and alright, let's do my seat post. My seat post, it's a fit stock seat post. It's almost new, so why buy a new one when it's just a seat post? Alright, let's go to my seat. My seat is a Fian, whatever you want to call it. Fat pedal seat, fat seat. And it's really comfortable. So I'm gonna show you some angles. It's really fat, and it's really comfortable. I really recommend it. It's big too. So you can see it right there. That's big. Alright, alright, let's go to my barns. My barns are the Odyssey barns. They're really good and last long. With some Colt aka Alex Kinetic grips. They're really good, even though they're already tearing apart from here. But I'm definitely getting them again. They're really grippy. At first, they are really slippery. I'm not gonna lie. But after a while, you can like. I've never had any problems. Like for the first week, it's gonna give you like hell because of like the slipper problems. I'm honest with that. But after a while, after a week or a week and a half, you're definitely gonna love them. So yeah. All right. My bars. They are the BSD passenger bars. They are 8.75 rise. Um, really strong, really light. I've been wanting to go to around 9.25. I want bigger bars now. So if you see a next unboxing on my channel, it's probably gonna be some bars in it. The cap, it's a king cap. Got it from my friend. Mine got stripped. So yeah. The headset, it's a Fian headset, as you can see right there. It's really tall. This is not all. Like you get more spacers. You get like another one. I don't know if you can see right here, but it's like almost what I have. You get another one of that whenever you order. So yeah, my stem is a Sobrosa hold tight stem. It's on reddish and pinkish color and black on the top. You can see it right there. It's a Sobrosa right there. Alright, so yeah, that's my stem. It has, as you can see, some different angles. I really like it, and it's strong. Let's go to my forks. My forks are mission circuit forks. I've had them for about 4 months now. They are really strong, really light. I really recommend them. They're not bad or anything. As you can see right there, straight. Um, yeah, I got them for 60 bucks. 60 bucks on danscomp. I when I first got them, like I was just trying to get some good forks because mine were like banned, and I'm really pleased with these forks. I will definitely get them again. I wouldn't go for no Odyssey or. I'm not a lightweight Winnie, so yeah. I mean they're really good. They do the work, so I'll get them. So yeah, let's do uh let's do the front. Guess it. Well, hub. The front is a Colony Wasp front hub. As you can see right there, it's on black, not on biological color. So yeah, I have two G Sport Gland universal hub guards for the front. There, other side, I have two pegs front. That's one, and I have a Colony pin tower rim laced G4 spokes to the Colony front Wasp hub, and I have a where's the BSD Donna Squeak tire. It's a 2.25. Uh, yeah, it's not a squeaky. I've had it for about a month now, and it has never squeaked on me. I don't really care about it, but if you're that one person that wants to get it because of the Donna Squeak thing, yeah, I don't know. It just doesn't squeak for me, and I have it for like around 60 psi. I don't know. It's kind of lower right now, but yeah, actually around 60 to 65 psi on the front. Uh, yeah, let's do my frame. Sexy thing is right here. It's a King Titan 21-inch frame. I have some stickers on it, as you can see. It's obvious and Subrosa stickers. I'm gonna show you the frame. Starts with the top. It has a K on it on the front. Right there. I like to show people because they look at the stuff. So yeah, as you can see right there, that's it has a short end. That's what I love about this. If you have a 20.75, 25, and you're trying to move into 21, this bit definitely a good um frame for it because you don't feel it at all like the change, but it actually helps you a lot. Like you don't feel it, but like it will help you a lot definitely. Um, the Skin Titan sticker came with it, and those are my stickers. All right, so I'm gonna change the bike into the other side. Alright, so I have in this side I have a Fit 25 tooth sprocket. It's a stock sprocket, and I have a Odyssey Bluebird chain. As you can see right there. Yeah, that's my chain, and the calling wasp. I'm gonna do the calling wasp right now. The sound check because people like doing like that stuff, so I'm gonna do it for y'all. Um, just wait a little bit. I'm gonna do one full crank so y'all can hear how loud it can get. So I'm not gonna wait for that because it's already a long video. So yeah, this is one crank. It's really loud. If you like the video, subscribe, share this video, like whatever. Um, just don't like it because it wouldn't help me at all. But yeah, I'll be uploading more videos now that I got a new phone and camera. Uploading clips. I'm almost getting tail whips. I've been trying them for the past 3 straight days, and I'm really close to getting them. I've landed in my cranks and seat, as you can see right here. I have landed like so many times on my frame and seat that It's already scratched and stuff with the shoes. It just passed by like. But okay, yeah, I'll be uploading new videos and stuff. I'll be putting some how tos for like my beginner subscribers. I know some are like, some of y'all might be like, what the hell is that? But I mean, it might help some of the new mates coming into BMX. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, please just share, subscribe this video, and yeah, thank you. If y'all have any questions about a part y'all want me to review it or how to install something, uh, feel free to comment or ask me. I wouldn't have any problems. I'll sure please do it. So yeah, thank you. Bye. That sucks.